Hi, today a look at the power supply from the Soviet aircraft Sirena ECM brains. So this is the power supply unit. Here is the plate for you. This is the model number that applies to the whole system. Pretty small serial number here, 403. So seems we have 4 channels out of this power supply with 4 fuses here. We have 5 volts. We have 0.5 volts, it seems, 5/10 of a volt. We have plus or minus 10 volts. And these wax cap plugs are probably hiding some trim pot to adjust the voltage. So 4 fuses here. You can see the nice flower shape fuse holder with the manufacturer logo in the middle. And if I turn this around, here is the kind of fuse you will find inside this. So about the total power of this thing, we have 15 watts. Yes, it is quite a big, because only on the plus and minus 10 we have 5 amps, so it is 50 watts. It makes 65 watts, around 66, something like this. So on this side we have a cover on the vent holes, more vent holes on the bottom. Here is the main, the only plug for it. The fastener screws here. So first we'll have a look behind this cover. I did already remove 2 of the screws. I can guess some kind of long parts, it seems. What do we have? Yes, just 2 long capacitors on a little PCB. This must be some diode. In fact, we can flip this open. On the other side on here. Oh, it is nice, guys. Look at this. Again, this transformer completely potted with some kind of stuff, hard epoxy or something like this. The diode here, another diode here in a cool round package. There is a metal back plane on this, and some compound, resin compound on the top. Really nice. And sealed capacitors. Here you can see the back side of fuse holders, but we will have a better look at them after, for the other side. And under this cover, so seems they are all the 4 the same, so I only do 1 here. We have, what do we have? Yes, 2 power transistors, and there is something else behind this plate, but I believe it is bolted to the, there must be diodes or something like this, power diodes. And the 2 power transistors, 2T908A and 2T903B. Dead codes of this thing are 1984. Okay, now we will have a look at the back side. Okay, we are on the other side of the power supply. So if I remove this panel, here is what we have, guys. 4 similar stages. Here is the little box with a PCB we were looking at earlier, with the fuse holders. And here we have, yes, 4 similar things. As expected, the hole here covered with wax corresponds to a trimmer to adjust the voltage. And you can see we have the toroidal transformers, 4 of them. So not sure is the thing receives a 3-phase maybe alternating current. 1, 2. Yes, it may be possible from the aircraft network, and then rectifies it. So we have for each channel we have one transformer, and I do not see the main bridge rectifier, so it must be on the other side. So you can see this big toroidal capacitor transformers, by the way. It is this screw on the other side, it seems, which keeps them in place. And it must allow to replace them, as you can access the wires on the top, on this side. Maybe you can replace them in the field. And if you want to remove a wall module, you will have to unsolder these wires. So we have only 3 wires on each one, so it may be not powered by 3-phase AC. On this PCB, just more of long capacitors, one big dead bug transistor here, glass body diode, and capacitors. Okay, you can see the shiny conformal coating everywhere. Here, 2 transistors mounted on metal clamps. And wirings at the bottom with some inductors. Okay, so it is all for this power supply unit. I would like to make it work, but I need to figure out the wiring for it. So in the next video we will start to have a look at the cartridge modules. Thanks for watching, bye bye.